Why is it important to change a baby's diaper? When left for a long time, bacteria can easily grow and come into contact with the baby's skin. To help the babies maintain good hygiene, parents should always change diapers every time they get wet. Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to change the diaper of my baby. First, put the diaper under the both of my baby. Then take out the upper part. Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to change the diaper of my baby. First, we'll put the diaper under the both of my baby. Feet up, then take out the upper part of the baby's diaper. The genitalia go into anus. Then hold. Then this is. Then wipe. Feet. Take the wipes. Up. Then wipe the genitalia. Go into anus. Cut. And after that, this. Then wipe. Take the wipes. Then going to anus. Cut. And after that, put another diaper of the baby like this. And throw the baby's diaper. Hold like this. Make like this. Wrap. To the same corner. Maybe. Then also a plastic of the baby. Plastic of the baby. Must tie like this. Then after that, after you do this, make a dough ball. You tie like this also. Then tie like this. Then throw in the dustbin.